Okay.
Look at her.
Sige, sabayan na
Dali siya
natin.
mo kasi sama.
Video na naman.
Video mo na lang tayong lahat, no?
Woo!
I look at her and have to smile as we go driving for a while, looking nowhere in the open window of my car. And as we go, I see the lights. I watch them glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. And I got all that I need right here in the passenger seat.
Okay, mag-video. Naka-video yan.
And I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. We start to get something to drink. My mind clouds and I can't think. Scared to death to say I love her. Then the moon peeks from the clouds. Hear my heart that beats so loud. Try to tell her simply that I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. And I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me.
Inches ba yan? Hindi naman nga eh.
And I've got all that I need
Kulat mo eh. Gumagay ka
right
eh.
here in the passenger seat. And I can keep my eyes on the road, knowing that she's inches from me.
Denise, tingin naman dito.
Binibidyo mo pala kasi na.
This love grows.
Hindi tumitingin.
Hindi na kasi ito ko sa akin. Lahat ako
Si Roda naghintay talaga eh.
I can't hold it. Hi! Hi! Cass! Cass! Elaine!
Passenger seat.
Sino ba?
Just you and me.
Kuya naman oh.
Wait!
Ay, natatama ko Denise. Stop. Teka.
Charlie ba?
Right here in the passenger
Sinasobrahan.
I know.
Gumano
Wala
talaga.
yung bibig niya.
Wala talaga.
Wala?
Hindi yung minsan ko, kaya sa pataasin nito, nakatake niya kunyari, tapos tataas.
Weird.
Tapos, pwede maghiwalay. Direksyon ng isa iba, tapos direksyon ng isa iba.
Yung camera mo, may mga ginawa, Oo. Text ko nga.
Baka masabi mo.
Ayun.
Sino mo nga?
Wow.
Yung camera pa ako.
Again, taba mo.
I can keep my eyes on the road,
Your picture.
knowing that she's inches from me. Na lang.